Hi traders, good evening. I welcome you all to Stock of the Day episode 1. So in this series of videos, we are going to analyze stocks which were trending for that particular day with the help of CPR. So when we do these kind of EOD analysis, it is possible to identify a specific pattern which is successful, and we can use that in coming days during live market. You all know very well through my Banknifty review videos, many of you found R1 previous day high and S1 previous day low breakout as a successful and high probable trading strategy. So similar way, many people were inquiring and requesting for review videos for stocks as well. I decided to do this as a series of videos, and I plan to launch it every day as episode 1, 2, 3 and so on. So this is episode 1, and here we are going to analyze only one particular stock which was trending for that particular day with the help of CPR and as well as with the help of overall trend, so that you may identify any specific pattern. It may help you to discover a strategy and you can trade on your own through price action. So in this episode 1, we are going to discuss about PVR. So in my past video, which was posted a month ago, I discussed about ITC, why ITC is bullish, should you buy, and in this video thumbnail itself you can easily find out I have given PVR, right? And even if you go through the particular video around 30 to 48 minutes, you can find out that I have given levels for PVR. And if PVR is breaking 1458, we can expect a target of 1589 very soon. And if 1589 is broken, we can expect a target of 2088. So this video was posted nearly a month ago on September 18, and now PVR is trading well. Hence, we are going to see the movement of PVR through CPR strategies. Before going to today's video, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. So here is a PVR weekly chart. PVR was taking a comfortable support at an important resistance 1589 in both daily as well as weekly chart. So if this resistance is broken and if the candles are able to sustain above this resistance level, then we can expect some bullishness till 2000 level in PVR. And moreover, PVR is going to have a good upcoming weeks because of the Diwali new movie releases. So there are 3 important movies which are getting released, and the number one is a Tamil movie of superstar Rajinikanth, and followed by Akshay Kumar's Bollywood movie Suryavanshi, and then Enemy, a Tamil movie. So these 3 movies are going to hit on the screens from Diwali. And another important news is PVR has got the rights to broadcast all India World Cup 2020 matches in their screens. So that is also a value added advantage for PVR. So these are some good news for PVR for upcoming weeks, for next 2-3 weeks. So the revenue generated by PVR is expected to be very high. And technicals followed by news, both are positive. So we can expect some bullishness in PVR. And as per that particular logic, we are looking for long opportunities in PVR. Now let us go back to 5-minute chart with our daily CPR levels. We can clearly witness an important point which you have to notice. The first point is descending CPR. We had a descending CPR in PVR, but the important point here is the candles are not below the daily CPR. See, whenever there is a descending CPR, we know very well that the market is going to be bearish. But in this particular stock, in this particular day, the stocks were not trading below the daily CPR, but the candles were trading above the daily CPR, which is a sign of bullishness. Now, the first attempt was made by the candles to break R1 and previous day high, but the attempt was not successful. And the very next candle, the candles started to fall, and they reached the daily CPR. So this is looking like a retracement. If you go to 1 hour chart of PVR and if you try to draw a trend line, this trend line has also been broken. This is a falling trend line and this is like a falling channel. So we expect PVR to travel inside this channel, but what happened? PVR has broken the channel today. So we are expecting some bullishness in PVR. Now, simultaneously, you can clearly see in 5 minutes chart, and you can see the candles, they are struggling to break R1 previous day high, and the candles were struggling to sustain above the channel. The candles broke the channel, but the candles are unable to travel above the channel, and the candles came down for a retracement towards the daily CPR, and now the candles are breaking the channel as well as the R1 previous day high comfortably in this Bahubali candle. What we are going to do, R1 previous day high has been broken. We are going to take a long trade with stop loss below previous day high. Now here the stop loss and the target is very important, because when you are taking a trade as per R1 previous day high in this bull candle, almost the candle has reached nearby R2. This is a very important level because the candles took resistance at previous day high, and the same level was acting as a strong resistance, and that is the today high as well. That is today high. Right, so that this one candle has broken that particular level. You are taking a long entry and you are placing your stop loss below previous day high. And what will be a target? Your target will be R2, R3, 50%, your first target, and then your final target will be R3 levels, right? So this is a good trade. This is a good stock for selection as well. We are selecting PVR mainly because of its bullish trend, and the resistance has turned into a support in daily and weekly charts, and in 5 minutes chart you can clearly witness the descending CPR, but the candles are trading above daily CPR, and the candles broke R1 previous day high in the second attempt. The first attempt was failure, which is around 9:45, and the second attempt at 11 o'clock was successful, and then we witnessed a good rally in PVR. Today's stock of the day award goes to PVR. So PVR was a good stock which followed our CPR strategies properly, and hence we select PVR as a stock of the day. That's it for today. Hope you all enjoyed our analysis. So meet you all in the next episode tomorrow with a new stock. Thank you. Bye.